Life is like a huge roller coaster, a journey full of twists and turns and ups and downs. And sometimes in this journey, there arises various situations where one is unable to face the turns, let alone have the energy to face the ups and downs. Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Shamel, and today I will be presenting about stress. Stress is no stranger to our daily life. Stress can lead everything that we love becoming strained and puts a burden to our mental health. Therefore, we must take care of our stress, hang on to life and practice helpful techniques to overcome the stress. When we understand our situations, the better that we will able to get through the situations with ease. There are three methods which are causes of stress, effect by the stress, and how to overcome the stress. Stress is poison. The most disastrous effect of stress is committing suicides, and these are often happen among students. Stress can be dangerous, especially when it has become the part of the lifestyle of the student themselves. Today, I am going to explain the causes of stress, the effect of stress, and how do we manage the stress. I will start with the causes of stress. Causes of stress that may affect them, such as interpersonal and academic. The main cause of the stress among students is the interpersonal causes. Interpersonal causes, which included factors like families, relationships, and friends. Stress may take a part when the students does not have a good relationship between family and friends. They may be alone and don't have anyone to share their problems with. Other than that, relations with faculty members are also a part of the interpersonal causes. Another causes of stress among students is because of the academic itself. Workload of college, difficult tests, and other academic obstacles also may lead to stress. Besides that, challenging classes and scheduling issues to coordinate whereby they got a very packed and long classes also can lead them to stress. Because as human, we need to have a gap, time to let our mind rest rather than doing anything in a non-stop period. Causes of stress are just around us, so avoid it as best as we can by finding a way to solve the problem. There are a lot of effects brought by stress in students' life. The most disastrous effects are the effect on the emotional health and the academic performance. Major negative effect of stress is on emotional health. Emotional health problem is more dangerous than physical health problem because it can lead to the most disastrous effect, which is committing suicide. Emotional or mental health is an expression of our emotions that signifies a failure adaptations to the range of demands in life. The stressful life event can lead to the all failure just by conquering our mind. So it is very important to keep our mental health and emotional health, because once our emotional health is disturbed, it can lead to various diseases such as depression, anxiety, anger, and so on. The second disastrous effect that happens among students is the academic performance. Actually, this effect affected the students beyond their thinking. Once they are in stress, they will have the difficulties to concentrate on their studies, and finally their exams will be ruined because they cannot do well in their exams. So that is how their academic performance show such negative improvement from day to day because they cannot manage their stress well. Effects from stress can be managed if the students know the right step and follow the right steps. Stress must be managed properly so that it will not be more dangerous to students. The good news is the students can learn how to manage their stress. Stress management is the ability to maintain control when situations, people's, events make extra demands. You may feel like the stress in your life is out of control, but you always can control the way you respond to it. One of the effective ways to manage stress is by doing exercise. Get regular physical activity. Physical activity plays a key role in both reducing and preventing the effects of stress. Exercise also is a very effective way to deal with stress. It will give your body opportunity to burn off excess adrenaline produced by the fight-to-flight response to stress. Other than that, stress also can be managed by make time for fun and relaxation. The example to make time relaxation is to take regular vacations, long weekends, or maybe a mental health day at interval that you have learned are right for you. By aromatherapy or listening to chill music, it also can make you more relaxed. Your senses are a powerful tool and can be used to invoke relaxation and stress reduction. Before you take action to manage stress, you must understand what is stress and what the causes of stress that you have. As you begin to understand more about how stress affects you, you will develop your own ideas to help relieve tension. As you begin to understand how stress affects you, you will develop your own ideas to help relieve tension. Stress can be dangerous to students' lifestyle. They should find the causes of the stress which they are going through, know the bad effect that they may have faced, and take action on how to manage it. By taking stress in a positive way, it will give good effect in return. However, if we take stress as a negative way, absolutely all we got are the bad effects. Stop stressing and start living. I think that is all for me now. Thank you.